Washer, take one.
Phones on silent, please.
Why I create is a kind of a great question.
Why do I create?
I create because
I just really love games, you know, and it's a lot of fun to make them.
I have so many ideas. I have so many things I want to explore.
I can't imagine doing anything else. It's what's on my mind when I wake up in the morning. It's on my mind when I'm falling asleep.
It's an odd question. From my perspective, I don't know why other people don't create. I think it was more a series of little moments rather than one big defining origin story.
I started playing Tomb Raider and sort of, for some reason, saw myself in Lara Croft.
I was playing the Atari and television.
When I was in my 20s, I thought all games were made in Japan.
Mind blown, you know?
All of a sudden, this kind of curtain came back, and I was like, I want to program stuff.
Wow, this helped me or inspired me to create my own project.
I don't think I ever really knew what I wanted to do with my life, but I knew that I wanted to be an artist.
Playtest is truth.
Unveiling and announcing games is one part very, very exciting and one part absolutely terrifying.
Hurts, man. It hurts.
You are in a dark well most of the time, and occasionally like light comes in.
Yeah, we're at a good state now. There's not much left, and you keep saying that for a year.
The last 10% is really another 90%.
Every time I got really close to finishing a game, I'd be like, oh man, there was another game come out, and I was like, oh, why didn't we work on something like that instead?
And then a 9-year-old walked up to my game and he played it for 45 minutes straight. He was like, no, I got it, like one more time. And he's like, do you mind? Can I play it one more time? And I was like, sweetheart, you can play whatever you want.
And so to watch people experience it for the very first time is like taking someone to the ocean for the first time.
You know, that is basically the old adage that art and creativity services the gameplay in our case. And it's a case of, you know, meeting the audience's expectations and, you know, surpassing them, you know, showing them the things they didn't know they wanted until they've got it from you.
Please welcome Clive Downie.
Hey everyone. Hi. How you doing? Great to see you. Hi. We're in Austin. Welcome. You can do better than that. We're in Austin. That's right. Welcome. Welcome to Unite Austin 2017. Welcome in this room. There's certainly a lot more of you than there was when we were rehearsing. Welcome in the overflow room. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome. There's beginner developers in here. There's advanced developers in here, there's indies, there's representatives from major gaming companies, there's engineers, developers, artists, animators. There's so many more. This is the world of creativity right here. I tell you who else is here is representatives of the Austin game making community. You know, this place, that's right, woof, woo. This town is a hotbed of creativity. And so we've got representatives from that hotbed right here. Our own Unity Austin team are here as well. These are the people who bring you Unity Cloud Build. Unity teams collaborate. So, you know, thank you for hosting us. Thank you for hosting us, Austin. Thank you for hosting us. So, you know, we continue to be amazed by just the sheer size and scale of the creativity that you are bringing to the world. In the last 12 months alone, the things that great game developers have made with Unity have been downloaded 20 billion times. 20 billion times. That's 654 a second. 654 times a second, people have downloaded what this community makes. It's truly spectacular. And 40% of the top 1,000 games are powered by Unity. We're particularly humbled by that. Of all the new games launched on mobile, half of them are powered by Unity. And this burgeoning new world of VR and AR that is being pioneered right now, of everything there, 60% of the things you're using to drive that world are made with Unity. So, but that's the numbers. The numbers are okay. I prefer and you prefer just to see the games. So let's have a look at those games right now. really special. I've had the good fortune to be in this wonderful games business for well over 20 years, and videos like that I still find inspirational to this day. Show me a game reel any day, and I get inspired by it. The other thing that we are inspired by at Unity on a daily basis is our principles. We always talk about our principles because they are important to us. They're important to how we think about what we can deliver to you. The first principle is democratization of development. Put simply, it's as simple as this. We believe that the world is a better place with more creators. We believe that when we can put the most powerful creative tools in the hands of as many people like you, that you can transform your ideas to reality and you can make the world a better place. We believe that. Secondly, our second principle is solving hard problems. Making things, making games, making anything is hard work. It's really tough. And that journey from concept to launch is just a really tough one. Doesn't matter what you're making. So we strive to stand shoulder to shoulder with you to make that journey as easy as possible. You're going to see some ways today that we are continuing to solve hard problems in the new version of Unity. And thirdly, our third principle is to enable your success. Now, success comes in all shapes and sizes. It might be how many projects that you can make a year. It might be how many people interact with what you make and consume what you make. It might be money, so you can make a living, as simple as that. Or it might be as simply powerful as you have an idea and you want to make something for yourself and stand back and think, yeah, I did that. I made that. Whatever success looks like for you, our aspiration is that we can give it to you. So, our three principles shape what we make. They shape what we make and what we bring you. And we've been using them to power our next major release, Unity 2017.2. 2017.2 is coming out later this month, and thanks very much to those of you who have been in the beta program. You've been hammering away and polishing it for all of your peers. Thank you for that. In delivering this new release, we've continued to stay focused on what matters to you. You've told us what matters to you, and it's these things. Quality and stability, that matters to you. We've continued to push the quality and stability of the core engine of Unity, solidifying the foundation that you rely on a daily basis to get done what you need to get done. We've driven down our bug counts. We've invested in QA resource. We've also invested in core engineering. Core engineering at Unity is going to be 500 people strong by the end of this year. That's 500 engineers working for you when you choose the Unity engine for your creativity. This team was instrumental in bringing you Unity 2017.2, by the way. Secondly is performance. Everyone wants more power per pixel. And we're undertaking major overhauls to the core of Unity to take us to a transformational next level for the engine, which is going to be able to take your creativity to the next level too. Joachim, the co-founder of Unity, is going to be out later today to show you that real stuff. It is not theory. It's supremely exciting. Now, with graphics, with Unity 5 way back, PBR, physically based rendering, we brought that, and we've been learning from that. And with your feedback, we focused our attention on more flexible light mapping, industry-leading post-processing, and rebuilding our renderers, which we are doing. We're really excited about. And with 2017 and beyond, we're going all out to bring you the best platform-specific performant rendering engine. Doesn't matter what you want to do on whatever platform. Now, we've made big improvements with our last version for artists and designers with features like Timeline, Cinemachine, and our post-processing stack, and we are not done yet. We've got more improvements to the creation workflow for better in-game iteration and decision-making, basically enabling the whole team to work efficiently together. There's no reason why different people on a team, engineers, developers, and artists, should be operating at different speeds. Everyone should be moving together at the same speed. And then lastly, you can count on us to provide industry-leading multi-platform support and integration. We partner with 25 great platforms, from Apple to Xbox, to ensure timeless and seamless integrations. Put really simply, so you can build once and reach the largest selection of consumers that you need to for your creativity. Now, 2017 represents the most powerful real-time creative engine and complete creation tool set to date. We're really excited to bring it to you. It is jammed full of too many features to take you through without this keynote being about 8 hours long, so we're not going to do that. What we've done is we've pulled key features out. We're going to bring them to life for you starting right now. Let's go. Thank you.